everyone, welcome to the SEBI Grade A Foundation Series 2026. Today is the day 17. We'll be talking about the rule of debit and credit part 2. So in this short, we need to understand that what needs to be debited and what needs to be credited. So see, you have to understand the accounting equation, that is asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. So improvise it a little, that is asset plus expenses is equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue. Okay. Now, on the left hand side, what do you have? You have your assets and your expenses. When the left hand side increases, okay, the rule for asset and expenses is same. So that is why on the left hand side, we have kept assets and expenses. When they increase, it will be debited. Okay? And when on the right hand side increases, that is the liability, capital or revenue is increasing in the business, in that case, it will be credited. Okay? So liability is increasing or the revenue is increasing or the capital is increasing, it will be credited. Vice versa will happen if they decrease. So when the asset is going to decrease, it will be credited. When the expenses are going to decrease, it will be credited. Okay. So the rule for asset and expenses goes hand in hand, and liability, revenue and the capital goes in hand in hand. When the three decreases, it will be debited. Okay. So you have to understand this concept. With the help of the accounting equation, it will be very easy. That is, when the left hand side increases, it will be debited. Right hand side increases, it will be credited. Now, on a similar line, let us understand this question. Rohit started business with a cash of 5 lakh rupees. So now you tell me which two accounts are impacted here. One is the cash account because he is keeping cash into the business. ठीक है, तो cash account impact होगा, और दूसरा because he is bringing in some money. So when he is bringing in some money, he is the owner. So he is bringing in capital. सो एक तो कैपिटल अकाउंट आपका इंपैक्ट होगा, दूसरा कैश अकाउंट इंपैक्ट होगा. सो कैपिटल वो लेके आ रहा है बिजनेस में, सो ऑफ कोर्स द कैपिटल इज इंक्रीजिंग. When the capital increases, it will be credited. So capital increases, it is credited. And because he is keeping it as cash, तो जब कैश एक एसेट है, एसेट को वो रख रहा है बिजनेस में, तो एसेट आपका इंक्रीज हो रहा है बिजनेस में. When asset increases, it will be debited. So you have to see how it will be debited or it will be credited. With the help of this chart, you can understand. एंड अगर आप अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन से रिलेट करके कर लेते हो तो आपके लिए बहुत बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. ऑन द सिमिलर लाइन, see this homework question, try to answer this. You have bought a furniture for 60,000 for cash. So two accounts that will be impacted here is, one is the furniture account, this is also asset account. एक है आपका cash account, ये भी asset account है. तो इन दोनों में से देखना है क्या चीज इंक्रीज हो रही है, क्या चीज डिक्रीज हो रही है, तो क्या चीज डेबिट होगी. So write down in the comment section below कि इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा. Keep learning. Best of luck everyone.